Welcome back to all my crafting friends. I hope you guys are all well. Today we are going to make a snowman that we're going to stick on our fridge. It's pretty simple and easy to do, so just follow along and have fun with it. I first took some black paper and I cut two bigger circles out of it for his eyes. I took white crayon and I drew his little eyes on. Now you can have him looking at any direction that you want him to look at. Then I took some orange paper and I cut a small triangle out, and that's for his nose. I then cut out some more smaller circles for his mouth. I cut out 5 of them. For the top of the fridge, this will fit very nicely. I'm leaving it plain, but if you want to add any more decorations on there, you can. Then for his scarf, all you have to do is measure the right length to see if it will fit nicely on your fridge. Take into account your door handle might get in the way as well, so make it slightly shorter then. I found that it's easier to take a white piece of paper and then find some orange paper and then cut your pieces out and then stick it on. I did try to make one where I colored it in or put Koki on it. It didn't look very nice, so I've gone back to the idea of sticking some paper on the white paper. It's quite easy and simple to do. All you have to do is just take your glue and stick it on your scarf. This glue is nice to use because it is sticky already and doesn't make too much of a mess, and it dries quite quickly. Can be a bit sticky, but that's alright. And then you have your snowman's scarf. Now you can make it a little bit more fancy, maybe add a bit more to it, but I'm keeping mine pretty simple and to the point. And then after I had done that, what I had also done is I had cut out another 3 black circles. Those are going to be his buttons. So on the bottom half of the fridge, I'm going to take the scarf and I'm going to stick it up at the top. And then I'm going to stick his buttons on the bottom of the fridge for his snowman. Quite simple and easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Keep well. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.